Do you ever feel like you're running on empty, trying to juggle it all? You're not alone, but here's the truth. Ignoring your own needs won't get you ahead. It just burns you out. Welcome to Healthy World, your space for balanced, mindful living and practical tips for a healthier, happier life. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful tools for wellness that most people overlook, self-care. And no, it's not just about spa days or bubble baths. It's about listening to your body, setting boundaries, and showing up for yourself every day. Before we go on, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content like this. Self-care means giving yourself the time and space to recharge. It boosts your immunity, lowers stress, and helps you sleep better. And it starts with simple changes like taking mindful breaks, going for a walk, or saying no when your plate is full. Make space in your schedule for the things that make you feel grounded. Identify what truly brings you peace. Learn to pause, breathe, and treat yourself with the same kindness you show others. And most importantly, shift your mindset. You don't have to earn rest. You don't need permission to take care of yourself. You're worthy of love and compassion exactly as you are. Let's stop waiting for burnout to remind us we matter. Let's start now. Like, subscribe, and share if you're ready to put yourself first, because your best life begins with you.